Hi again everyone! I am here again to discuss all of you the episode 4, Philippine Banking Landscape, which includes break down the different types of the banks in the Philippines, discuss the functions and rules of commercial thrift and rural banks, explore how the PSP regulates and supervises banks, discuss the importance of well-regulated banking sector. Different types of banks in the Philippines. In the Philippines, there are various types of banks serving different needs of individuals and businesses. These include number 1, commercial banks. Commercial banks are the most common type of banks that provide basic services such as deposits, loans, and other financial services to individuals and businesses. Number 2, thrift banks. Thrift banks also offer banking services, but they are typically focused on providing services like savings and loans to small communities and individuals with lower income levels. Number 3, rural banks. Rural banks cater to communities in rural areas where access to financial services may be limited. They usually provide services such as deposits, loans for farmers and small businesses, and other services tailored to the needs of rural areas. Functions and rules of commercial thrift and rural banks. Number 1. Commercial banks. Commercial banks primarily serve large businesses, corporations, and individuals by offering banking services such as deposit taking, lending money, transfer, and banking services. Number 2, thrift banks. Thrift banks serve individuals and small businesses providing services such as savings accounts, loans, and insurance. Number 3, rural banks. Rural banks are focused on service communities in rural areas where to access financial services may be limited. Their roles including providing banking services to farmers, small businesses, and other sectors in rural areas. Regulation and Supervision of Banks by BSP. The Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, BSP, is the primary agency responsible for regulating and supervising banks in the Philippines. Its duties include issuing regulations and policies to ensure the safety and stability of the banking sector, conducting examinations and audits to ensure banks comply with the prescribed regulations, and providing guidance and technical assistance to banks in implementing regulations.